We're going to talk about templates. So again, I have the full site editing theme Hanson installed, which allows me to go, when I hit appearances, I can go into the full site editor and I can make changes that I want in the design of the header and the footer and the pages. So now that I'm in the full site editor mode, which I went through with appearance, I now can have a view of all the different templates and template parts that are installed. So I'm going to click on header. This is the installed header design. Here's my list. So inside the header that is kind of the default header for this, inside this group is the logo, the title, the tagline. If I want to move the logo, I can upload a logo here. These are the different blocks. I can move these around if I wanted to. I can decide that I want the navigation maybe kind of at the bottom instead. I want to kind of maybe get rid of this, remove that column block, and I want to have it there. I can do that. I can change the black background color if I wanted to, right? So I can go into the groups and I can go over here into the settings. And I can decide that I want to change, the color of the background. Right now it's this. I can make it any color I want. I can customize the color if I want. If I had a special color that I liked, I need the hex number, I could type it right in there. So you have a lot of ability to customize your site using this. So when you finish this and you save it, this is now going to be applied to absolutely all of the headers, the standard headers on the site. And now this header is going to be viewable in all of the different pages that use this header. So for instance, if I've saved it, so it's all set to go, this is now the default header. So if I go over here again to the list view, I'm looking at my templates and say I go to without page title, this template. Now I have, this is now the default header that I just changed around, without page template. And if I go over to one of my pages, go to page 1, right? And I'm going to the template I'm going to use for this one now is going to be without page title, right? Update that. And now I'm going to view the page. And there's the header that I just created. And the same goes for the footer, right? You can go in and you can go back into appearance, to editor, and then go over to the template parts, go to the footer, and you can change that around all you want also. There are other blocks you can put in there. You can put the social media block in there if you want. There's a social media block. Right, social icons. You can put Twitter in there. You can put Twitter thing right in there if you want. You embed that if you wanted to do that. There's all different things you can do. So that is how you edit your template parts.